Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Open the app or browser where you want to stop saving history. You'll need your account password or device PIN for confirmation, so have it ready. Once open, go directly to Settings or Privacy. Don't wander through menus. This first step prevents accidental data loss, and it sets the context for what you'll disable next. Make sure you're on the correct profile or device, otherwise you might change the wrong account. Now you'll turn off the capture mechanisms. Locate privacy or history controls and toggle off options labeled Save Browsing History, Record Activity, or Web and App Activity. If your browser uses sync, disable History Sync or Sign Out because synced devices will reintroduce entries. For apps, revoke permission to access activity if present. Once done, clear existing history if you want a clean slate. Otherwise, finish by clearing existing history, cache, and cookies so past entries are removed. After that, close and reopen the app to verify new behavior. Make sure other devices on the same account aren't resyncing history. If entries persist, revoke app permissions, disable third-party tracking extensions, or reset app defaults. One key troubleshooting tip: if history still appears, sign out everywhere and change your account password, because a connected service may be reapplying settings without your notice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.